Can ClickUp handle your life? You've heard of ClickUp, right? The productivity tool that's taking the professional world by storm. But can it handle the chaos of your personal life? Let's find out. I know what you're thinking. ClickUp? That's for work, right? For projects and deadlines and stuff. Well, yes, it's amazing for that. But what if I told you it could also be your personal life's secret weapon? Imagine a world where your grocery list, workout routine, and book club picks are all in one place. Where you can track your habits, plan your vacations, and manage your finances, all without juggling a million apps. That's the ClickUp dream, and I'm here to tell you, it's more real than you think. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about organization. ClickUp's hierarchical structure is a game changer. Think of it like your digital life organizer. You can create a workspace for your personal life, then break it down into spaces for different areas: home, health, finance, hobbies, etc. Within each space, you can create folders and lists for specific tasks or projects. Need to plan a birthday party? Create a space for it. Add folders for guest list, decorations, food, and entertainment, and then create lists within each folder for specific tasks. But wait, there's more. ClickUp isn't just about lists. It's about getting things done. With features like custom statuses, due dates, and reminders, you can turn your to-do list into a powerful productivity tool. Want to track your daily steps? Create a habit tracker. Want to save for a vacation? Set up a savings goal. It's all possible with ClickUp. Okay, let's talk about collaboration. Yes, even your personal life can benefit from a little teamwork. Maybe you share a grocery list with your partner, or want to coordinate a family vacation with your siblings. ClickUp's collaboration features make it easy to share tasks, assign responsibilities, and communicate with your team or family. And let's not forget about time management. ClickUp's time tracking feature can help you understand where your time is going. Are you spending too much time on social media? Not enough time on hobbies? ClickUp can help you identify areas where you can improve. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but is it really worth it to use a work tool for my personal life? The answer is, it depends. If you're someone who struggles with organization, procrastination, or just wants to simplify your life, ClickUp could be a game changer. But if you're already happy with your current system, there's no need to fix what isn't broken. The beauty of ClickUp is its flexibility. You can use as much or as little of it as you want. You can start small with just a few lists, or dive deep and create a complex system to manage every aspect of your life. So, can you use ClickUp for personal? Absolutely. Is it right for everyone? Maybe not. But if you're looking for a way to streamline your life, increase your productivity, and reduce stress, ClickUp is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.